Hello everyone and welcome again to Alcala Technology. Well, first of all, we want to thank you for all the likes, all the comments that you've been giving to us. We are really happy to have this community of people that loves classic cars as we do. Actually, today we're not gonna talk about this project, but we want to show you, because actually you can see how the exterior is, but look how the interior is. This is another project that you will see in a few months. Look how the inside is, and well, nothing much to say. You can already see it. So everything scratched. Actually, it's the original paint, and yeah, it's coming from United States, but we will do a full refurbish. But today we're gonna talk about a new project that you can read into the comments and the title of it. So it's a new Alfa Romeo that we are producing, we are doing from scratch. It goes straight to United States, so follow me and see. Here we have the amount of parts that we have already disassembled. So you will see in the following video all the procedure, how the car arrived, because the customer bought it in an auction, brought it here, so then we started the project. Parts here, parts there, more parts over there. We have a huge project. Here you have the car. You will see that it's fully different color as what you will see in the following video. This car arrived totally white. The customer wants a different project, which well, it will have a nice design of leather inside. He wanted this amazing color, which actually we sent 4 samples into his house because he didn't know which silver to choose. So we did 4 samples, we sent it into his house, and then he could decide which was the proper color for his dream car. So after removing, 10 millimeters of putty in all the car, that you will see how this car was before now. Yeah, what I can say. So actually it was even worse the last video that you really liked it about the other Alfa Romeo. So holes on the sides, a crash in the front, unbelievable. But well, I let you enjoy the video, I let you enjoy the work that we have done. This is now the beginning of a huge story that you will see in different chapters, because we have a lot of work here. So see you in the next chapter.
meter las plantillas, sobre todo para el tren trasero. Y aquí lo haremos como lo hacemos siempre. ¿De acuerdo? O sea, saneado, todo saneado. Vamos a soldar. No. Sí, me llamáis, que con Manel y nosotros y los tres apuntaremos todo lo que para que ya entre el proceso de recambio, entre ya en funcionamiento. ¿Vale? Sobre todo, porque si no se rompe la cadena.
Hello everyone, here we are with this Alfa Romeo. It's a 1.3 as I explained before, from 1970s. We are starting to remove all the paint to see how the car was being repaired and what do we have behind the paint, because when the car arrived actually it was looking pretty good, but as soon as we start disassemble, this is what always happens. So full of holes, old reparations that we will have to solve. Here in all the insides, we are removing all the tar that, you know, to reduce the noise that at that time were glued into it. So it's been tons of that. And well, here, for example, when we start to disassemble, here you can see there's a complete hole that goes into it. So we'll have to change all this panel because this was really typical from these Alfas. More holes here in the windshield, and yeah, also typical one in the rear where the tank is. So look here in the edges is another thing that we will have to repair as always. You can see here that all the damages that the car had before, so it's been repaired before because now we are sanding all the way all the surface, so we can see where it's been repaired, where it was having the imperfections. And yeah, I mean, we continue and we will kick it hard, so keep it tuned. Hello again! I hope you have enjoyed the video with all the work that we have done removing everything. And well, in the next chapter you will see, well actually the next chapter my father will be explaining also in Spanish what we have done, which was the most you know, difficult things that we will find in the car, as a complete hole that actually now it's been repaired, but with a new panel, but we had to remove the panel because actually there was no existing panel. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I let you wait for next week. So next Wednesday we will have a next video full of more things about this Alfa. Enjoy!